Hey, hi guys, this side Tilak. I just came from a tier 3 college and now I'm placed at Morgan Stanley. So, in this video, we are going to decode Cognizant preparation, starting with the preparation plan and ending with the interview rounds. So, if you want to crack Cognizant, please watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and share this video with your friends because we are going to prepare a plan for you that you can crack Cognizant exam. So, in this video, we are going to discuss only two things, but these two things are very important for you. First is preparation plan and second is how to crack the interviews because most of the students crack the initial rounds but they are not able to crack the interview rounds. So let's start firstly with the preparation plan. Firstly, let's understand what are the rounds Cognizant conducts. Okay, so there are three roles. Firstly, Gen C, Gen C Next and Gen C Pro, okay, which are varying with packages. Okay, Gen C Next is the highest package that considered. Okay, now what are the rounds? Okay, so you have some different cluster, like three clusters you have. First cluster is like a Java, second cluster is like Python, and third cluster is like C sharp language. So these are the three different cluster. For the Java cluster, you will have HTML CSS question. For the Python cluster, you have cloud question, and for the C sharp, you also HTML CSS question. So according to your proficiency in this language like Java, Python, or C sharp, you have to choose the language. Now the scenario comes for the students who has their background in the C++, because they have not background in the Java, Python and C sharp, so they are not able to give this exam. So for such students, you have to prepare Java, Python and C sharp. Any one of the language you can prepare. So my suggestion for you can start with the Python language. It is easy language. Within a 5 to 10 days, you can master it very well. You can solve a lot of questions. Okay, so this is from my side for those students who are not fit in this scenario. Now firstly understand what are the rounds of the Cognizant. So there are 3 to 4 rounds of the Cognizant. Your communication round, if you want to prepare your communication round, in our channel I have uploaded the whole 30 to 40 minute of communication video that you can practice, and like you can wear earphone and you can practice this video, and it will a lot help you while preparation, and it will also help you when you are going to give your communication round. It has aptitude round. Aptitude round must be like a logical thinking question, blood relation, like these are the question. If you want that also video, I have uploaded on my channel. I will provide the link in my description so that you will not worry like where to search all the things. So I will categorize all the things into my description box so you can get all the things. Okay, now there are gaming question also asked like after the aptitude round. So these are the gaming question. I have specially prepared one video also for that. Please go into the description channel and get the link. Okay, and after that, once you clear these rounds, then your coding round will be there. Okay, the coding round is like that I discussed earlier, the Java, C sharp and Python. So here are like you will get two coding question, and also you will also have a SQL question too. So you have to practice SQL and your coding as well. And for the SQL, I have also prepared a playlist, a curated playlist for you. If you want to practice, go in the description and check. Their videos are all uploaded there. I have took the question from the previous year as well as from the lead code platform, top 30 questions from the lead code, so you can practice them as well. And for the HTML CSS, you can go online, or if I found some content, I will also post in my description box, so you don't need to go anywhere. And the people who having a Python background, so for them their questions are belongs to the cloud, so you can practice a lot of questions from the cloud. Like I will suggest one website, Prepinsta. You can practice from the Prepinsta. There are a lot of questions from Prepinsta that you can practice for the cloud. Also, you can search on Google. So you can take a practice sessions from that and learn the things. The question will be asked in your coding round. And once you clear this aptitude coding all the rounds, then your technical HR round will be held after within like 10-20 days, whether it is in your college or like nearby place, any college. So at that point, at that location, your interviews will be held. Now the most important thing is that how to prepare for this all the rounds. The thing is that, so for the aptitude, I would suggest some channels for you. The first thing for the communication is Career Ride. You can practice grammar, verbal ability from that. And if you want to practice aptitude, for the aptitude, I will suggest one channel, Feel Free to Learn. What is Feel Free to Learn? This is the best channel for the numerical ability, logical ability, and personally I found this is one of the best channel for the aptitude. And if you want to practice question, you can prefer Prepinsta website, IndiaBix website. There are a lot of questions you can practice there and had a great hands-on experience on questions. Okay, this is the thing for the aptitude. Now for coding, if you want to crack coding question, prepare top 100 codes from the Prepinsta. If you want that, just join our Telegram channel. I have uploaded all the top 100 codes, so you can practice them and it will help you to get a hands-on experience on the coding question. And for the and for the SQL, I told you like where you can prepare. Just go to my description box, you will get a link and you can practice the question for the SQL. Okay. And the next thing is that your technical rounds and HR round, how to prepare for them. Okay, on my channel I have prepared a playlist also for that technical rounds and these interview questions, like whatever. I have prepared a playlist. I will also put the links in my description box. But how to prepare? Most of the students have a like fragility about communication. They are not able to talk in a very well manner in front of the interviewer. Most of the students lack at that point. I will tell you one thing. If you don't know answer, just be confident. भाई समझ लो अपना ही राज है, अपन ही यहाँ पे सब कुछ, ठीक है, ऐसा समझने का खुद को. Like you should be that confident. Whether you don't know question, interviewer must know that भाई ये बंदा बहुत confident दिख रहा है, इसके पास इसका जवाब हो गए. You should be that confident. आता है नहीं आता है वो बात की बात है, but you should be that confident. If you are that confident, interviewer wants that, because many people are not able to communicate in English. That's the thing, and that's the scenario most of the people get rejected. Even though they know the answer, but they are not able to communicate with the interviewer, and that's the thing what happened, and that's the thing you have to avoid. ठीक है, अच्छे से कोडिंग वगैरह करो, अच्छे से कोडिंग इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस वगैरह भी प्रिपेयर कर लो. यूट्यूब पर है, बहुत सारे बाकी चैनल है, बहुत सारे बाकी चैनल आप रेफर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, मैं ऐसा लग रहा पहला बंदा है जो दूसरे को चैनल बोल रहा हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं अपने को क्रैक करने कंपनी. सो यू कैन रेफर अदर्स चैनल फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम नहीं, from YouTube, from Google. You can search the question, interview question, and you can practice. But if you want interview questions like HR interview question, technical interview question, please comment down. I will prepare a list of questions for you and bring a new video for you. I will not put a link in my playlist, description. I will prepare a one best video for you that you can crack and you can prepare for your technical HR interviews. Okay. तो इतना सब कुछ हो गया कि हमारे राउंड्स वगैरह हो गया, हमने कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है ये सब कुछ बातें कर लिए. सो आई होप मैंने कोई बात छोड़ी नहीं होगी आपको बताने के लिए. सो स्टिल इफ यू हैव सम डाउट, सम क्वेरीज, यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी इन माय कमेंट बॉक्स, और आप टेलीग्राम चैनल भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. और ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और जस्ट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बाय बाय.